President Donald Trump talk on Sunday say even though US Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) do well to arrest South Korean immigrants wey dey work illegally for Hyundai battery plant wey dem dey build for Georgia, dem suppose still reason small make foreign experts stay small to train Americans for advanced industries. People wey dey watch sky enjoy blue moon wey happen as total lunar eclipse show for plenty parts of Asia, some side of Europe and Africa. Dat na small highlight of today tori. Na PidginToriGlobal be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for the world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. No forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell make you no miss any of our videos. Make you still share with your friends make dem too sabi wetin dey happen for world. People wey dey watch sky enjoy blood moon wey happen as total lunar eclipse show for plenty parts of Asia, some side of Europe and Africa. When sun, earth and moon line up together, go come make am look like one kind deep red color. Na dis effect don dey make humans wonder for thousands of years. People for Asia, especially India and China, na dem get better chance to see the eclipse well on Sunday. E still show small for Eastern Africa and Western Australia. The full eclipse start around 5:30 GMT and finish 6:52 GMT. For Europe, some people see am small as partial eclipse when moon dey rise for evening, but people for America no see am at all. According to Ryan Milligan, astrophysicist of Queen's University, Belfast, the reason wey moon dey red during eclipse na because the only sunlight wey reach am na the one wey pass through Earth atmosphere after e scatter and reflect. President Donald Trump talk on Sunday say even though US Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) do well to arrest South Korean immigrants wey dey work illegally for Hyundai battery plant wey dem build for Georgia, dem suppose still reason make foreign experts stay small to train Americans for advanced industries. Homeland Security investigations talk say 475 people, mostly South Koreans, dem arrest for the battery plant wey still dey under construction. Hyundai talk say na dem get the site but insist say none of the workers dey directly under the company employ. When dem ask Trump about the ICE operation on Sunday, e tell reporters say America need experts wey sabi how to build batteries so dem fit train Americans wey no get dat kind experience. Trump talk say if people no dey dis country wey sabi batteries now, maybe dem suppose help train dem. He still add say industries like shipbuilding and computer manufacturing also need skilled trainers. He say dem go check the whole matter, say US get plenty industries wey dem no get again and dem gats train people. London don scatter with serious transport wahala as tube workers go on strike over pay and working condition. Almost all tube service lock since Sunday and dem no go open till Friday morning. Downing Street don talk say commuters dey rightly fed up and beg both RMT Union and Transport for London (TfL) to return for fresh talk. The London mayor too don urge both sides make dem settle am quick. For now, buses, Elizabeth Line and Overground still dey run but crowd full pass normal. Many people don switch to waka, taxi or grab e-bike wey don almost finish for city. Experts believe say dis strike no go settle the biggest wahala wey dey between RMT and TfL. Serious protests burst out for Nepal after government ban social media like Facebook, X, YouTube and Instagram. Wetin start as anger against the ban later turn clash with security forces, and reports talk say at least 19 people don lost their life with many others wey dey injured. Thousands of mainly young protesters wey call themselves Gen Z gather near parliament for Kathmandu. They shout against corruption and wetin dem call government authoritarian attitude. Dem carry placards wey read "Enough is enough" and "End corruption." Police use water cannon, baton, tear gas and rubber bullets to scatter the crowd. Hospitals even complain say tear gas enter inside, disturb doctors' work. Government defend the ban, say na to fight fake news, hate speech and online fraud. But protesters insist say the real issue na corruption and economic wahala. Some talk say government just wan silence people voice, but dem vow say the protest no go stop until change show. French Prime Minister François Bayrou don shock parliament as e call confident vote for himself, describe am as moment of truth to push lawmakers make dem agree on how to handle the country debt crisis. But reports from Paris dey show say Bayrou no really get the numbers to win the vote. Despite all the last-minute talks, if he lose, President Emmanuel Macron go appoint new prime minister, and that one go be the 5th one in less than 2 years. The confidence vote go start 7 p.m. French time. All eyes dey on parliament to see whether Bayrou fit survive or e government go scatter. One Australian woman don jam life imprisonment and she no go fit comot for at least 33 years because she killed 3 of her family people and try kill another one with toxic mushroom fruit. The sen ten ce, wey be one of the longest wey they don ever give female criminal for Australia, mean say Erin Patterson, wey be 50 years old now, go dey inside her 80s before she go even get chance to apply for parole. Supreme Court judge talk say Patterson crime dey inside the worst category of offense and e still involve serious cover-up. Patterson kill her in-laws, Dawn and Gail Patterson, both 70 years old, and Gail's sister Hilda Wilkinson, 66, after she served them toxic beef Wellington for her house for Victoria for 2023. By 10:18 a.m. on Monday, dem carry Erin Patterson from courtroom 4 inside Melbourne Supreme Court make she go start her life sen ten ce for prison. Ian Wilkinson still dey there dey watch too. Na him be the only person wey survive Patterson famous mushroom meal for 2023. The wicked murder plan wey judge call big betrayal. For months, Mr. Wilkinson dey waka enter and comot court without say e talk any word for public. And the last one for today, Prince William and Catherine don mark anniversary of late Queen Elizabeth II death with visit to Women's Institute for Sunningdale, Berkshire, organization wey Queen dey support for over 80 years. William talk say na huge honor as him remember how Queen dey always talk about the group, whereas Prince Harry, wey just return UK after 5 months, go Windsor privately and lay wreath for Queen burial ground. He come from California and go later attend Wilshire Charity Awards before other events this week. The remembrance also fall on the day wey mark King Charles' anniversary for throne. Reports dey ask whether Harry go meet im papa during this visit, as both of them never see since February 2024. Harry wife Meghan and their children remain for California, while Harry schedule include donation announcement for Nottingham on Tuesday and visit to Imperial College London on Wednesday. Now the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.